Welcome, in front of me is a REALME 8 and today I'll show you how to enable the portable hotspot. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the hotspot toggle, which for me looks like it's on the second page as the first toggle right here. So once you find the toggle, you can hold it, and this will take us to the settings where you can quickly change things like our password. It's probably going to be the most important thing that I can change, just because the ones that are set by default are just some random trash that I don't really find very appealing to use. So I'm going to remove this one and set my own. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. Now you could also change the name, which by default will be the name of the device, so for everybody it looks like it will be just REALME 8. So all you need to do is simply remember it, or you can change it to something else, and this will determine how the Wi-Fi network is called. Apart from that, if you scroll down, you have the AP band. We have the option between 2.4 or 5 gigahertz, and if you're not sure what Wi-Fi your device supports, then you can enable the better one, which is 5 gigahertz. And if your device can't see it, and that is a possibility, then that means that it does not support the 5 gigahertz, and all you need to do is go back and drop it to 2.4 and everything should be fine. Now the benefit of the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, it's just the fact that it's going to be faster and stronger and also more stable. So I'm going to go with 5, and from there tap on the check mark to save all the settings, and you're done with setting it up. And all you need to do now is simply go back to the toggle and tap on it to turn it on. And there we go. Hotspot is now active, which you can see right here. So once you're done with it, go back to the toggle, tap on it once more, and this will turn it off. Now you do want to turn it off, otherwise it will be using your phone's battery for no reason really. So just remember to always shut it off. And that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.